Good morning, guys. Guys, I have just woken up. It's already 8:20, and today I want to show you my morning routine here in Uganda, in the village. The most thing I do here in the village, I always be in the kitchen. So today, guys, I'm going to take a shower. Then I will see you in the kitchen. So let's get to the video. So, guys, I have already taken the shower. I just want to show you my outfit, what I have worn for the kitchen. So this is my outfit. So guys, let's go to the kitchen. So guys, this is the food, banana mixed with groundnuts. So guys, this is the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment and share. So guys, see you in another video. Bye.